we have to show that our function y equals c cosine x minus 4 is solution to our differential equation. In our equation we have y and y prime. It means now when we have y, we have to calculate y prime. So this is equal, constant c we copy, and derivative of cosine is negative sine of x, and derivative of constant is 0, we don't have to write. So y prime is equal negative c sine of x. Now we can come back to our differential equation and substitute y and y prime. So y is, let me copy first maybe this equation, so it will be y plus y prime cotangent x plus 4 is equal 0. Y is c cosine x minus 4, and we have plus y prime is equal negative c sine of x, and we have times cotangent of x plus 4 equals 0. We have negative 4 and positive 4, so this we can reduce. And we have c cosine of x. Positive and negative give me negative. C, we have sine of x. Cotangent of x is equal cosine of x over sine of x. So we can substitute cotangent will be cosine of x over sine of x. This is equal, should be equal 0. So now we can reduce sine and sine, and we have c times cosine of x minus, because use sine we reduce, so we have now c cosine of x equals 0. We see that the left side will reduce and we have 0 equals 0. It means that our function, which we have given, is solution to our differential equation.